and welcome in and be our guest. You know, as you're starting to get a little bit older, you may be downsizing, or you may really like the house you've got, and now the kids are gone, and you say, I'm going to redo this house. One of the main areas you sometimes look for is, you know, this room is here, I have carpet in it, but I don't know if I need to recarpet the whole house. Georgia Floors Direct. Matt McElroy is with us today. Glad to have you back, buddy.
Yes, sir.
And you guys have just got in a load of remnants. Now, for our viewers' information, basically what is a remnant? It's still the same quality carpet.
Yes, sir. So a remnant is just a shorter roll of carpet that might not be able to do your whole house with, but we definitely could do maybe a couple rooms. That would be...
Well, you know, basically your carpeting comes in huge rolls.
Yes, sir.
So you cut off whatever it is you need, and then let's just say you need 80 yards, and it's a 100-yard roll. That means you still have 20 yards left.
Yes, sir.
And that becomes the remnant.
A remnant. That's right. Yes, sir. So the quality is still there.
Yes.
It's just a marked down price.
And then what a lot of times what people do, even with remnants, they can take a smaller remnant and turn it into an area rug.
Yes, sir. We do custom size area rugs to whatever size, you know, fits your room the way you want it. We can make it that exact size. Yes,
and you've
sir.
got a person that specializes in that.
Yes, sir. We sure do. And he's been in binding rugs for 50 years, I believe.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
He's been around a while.
Been around for a long time.
He's
yes,
gonna,
sir.
He's going to do it right.
That's right. Yes, sir.
So basically right now, at Georgia Floors Direct, and we keep thinking about floors, but now you've gotten expanded. You're into shades for the windows. And
yes, sir. Blinds.
You do have tile, too.
Yes, sir.
If you want to redo a kitchen or a bathroom.
Yes, sir. Or backsplash, or countertops, blinds, shades, and shutters. Yes, sir. We've got a gentleman who will come out. He'll bring you samples, in-home samples, so you can see them in your house. He'll measure for your windows. He'll get a quote. We'll get it to you, and we can, you know, knock it out. There's about a 4-week turnaround time on blinds. They're custom made per window, right? So there is a little, it takes a little while to get everything right. But yes, sir, and we'll take care of that, no problem.
And spring and summer is right around the corner, and you do have tiles that can be used outside.
Yes, sir.
If you want to redo a patio.
That's
or
right. Yes, sir.
And put some shades into an outside porch.
There you go. Yes, sir. Absolutely.
You can do the whole thing.
Yes, sir.
Well, that's good. So the remnants just came in. And they're, like you say, you're getting remnants each day.
Yes, sir.
So you've got a good selection of remnants.
That's right. Yes,
now.
sir. We've got some patterns. We've got some really thick plushes, some really nice pieces. Yes, sir.
So basically, they can come into the store, give up with somebody like you. When you need to do this, when you come into Georgia Floors Direct and you find out an associate such as Matt, you let him know what you want to do in your house. And he can take you around to the different, you have departments within the store.
Yes, sir, we sure do. We've got a wood area, we've got a special order carpet area, a large selection of in-stock carpet, and then, lining the walls is remnants.
All the way around.
All the way around, yes, sir.
And Georgia Floors Direct are open 6 days a week from 9 a.m. in the morning till 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yes, sir.
And you're located on the Eastern Boulevard, right across the street from Lowe's.
That's right. Yes, sir.
That's good.
Yep.
Well, thank you so much for what you're doing. And just
yes,
remember, they've been around for 50 years, servicing the people not only in Alabama, but Georgia.
That's right. Mississippi.
Florida.
Yes, sir. Southeast. That's right.
Southeast. You can take care of the whole Southeast. So it's worth your time to come on in and see the variety, because you're not going to see as much variety under one roof as you are at Georgia Floors Direct. And we'll be right back right after this.